Кучка облаков приехала. Вот где должен жить этот человек. That's the place for her to live. Let us know in comments below if you know any other places where we can go and check the sea. Improvised. Как скатерть-самобранка? Де скатерть-самобранку? Кто-то кайфует на солнце. Ой, прелесть. Oh, by the way, I operate this one lock and open this completely without the key. It's pretty easy, but I locked this again back. We spent almost all day on the beach, and I was naked, and the sun somehow, well, it's the end of the day, and the sun is gone now, and it became windy a lot, like strong winds, and it's cold. So I had to put my t-shirt, I had to put my jacket. Yeah, soon we will go. Soon we will go to the city. We're in the forest.
Мне рассказывают, что там есть обязанность держать.
We've got some shrimps and sauce in a leaf. Someone needs to put it on Instagram and someone in YouTube. Nadezhda Lapovna told me that Karlshof Erlebnisdorf is just a little stall with strawberry. You will explain now. A little stall with strawberries. And now we came to this stall with strawberries, and they have a parking place for like 100 cars or even more. It's huge. It's all this building and more. It's like a full... Let me show.
Это в слабую.
Да? Эта штука не цепляет.
Это не знак внимания.
Там сметану мешать. Да. They have reservations and tables to eat here. They close in half an hour, but those tables are reserved and someone will come and have this celebration.
Colleague or something, someone internal.
Maybe.
But otherwise, it's pretty stylish.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You have the engine.
Also very
They have a restaurant with food close to Edbeer, to strawberries. Some drinks, everything with strawberries, some sauces, apples and strawberries. Alcohol, strawberries, dried strawberries, wow. Cakes, strawberries, beer strawberries. Everything from made of strawberries. Bowls, Berlin beer, strawberries.
Пай. Финик.
They have even маротки хрен with strawberries.
С горчицей есть тоже. С
Everything with strawberries. Ketchup, mustard, nice. Strawberry world, real. Strawberry world.
из манго тоже есть.
Манго?
Да, ну тут как бы сопутствующий кофе у них.
Ну да, да. Там яблоки я видел тоже, что-то яблочное есть. И облепиха. Здесь это прям редкость. А у нас облепихи много. Wine. Do you hear? Chewing sound.